How to track a cell phone number. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Tracking a cell phone number is pretty easy these days provided we have the right tools. However, when you're trying to track a phone number, you must be ensuring that it is not a malicious intent or a breach of privacy. On that note, in this tutorial, we will help to track a cell phone number using different methods. So for the number 1, we have using an IMEI tracker. Each phone number has a unique 15-digit number called as IMEI number. Usually it is used to help track lost phones when apps like Find My App device fails. For this, you just have to use the IMEI code and it will help to track the number. Similarly, the next option by which we can find a number is white pages. Through this, you can hit the phone number in the search field and the website will start looking for the details. You can even use reverse phone and reverse address. Similarly, on this video, third on the list is using different websites such as Whose Number Is This? Hereby, you have to choose the country code and enter the phone number, and while you hit the enter button, you will get the suggestions and details. So this was some of the tutorial help which you can follow to track a number. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.